Welcome to my channel. It's Jiban VP Anesthesia Tech. Today I am explained a historical grade mark in anesthesia history.it is the continuous flow anesthetic machine or Boyle's machine, which is designed to provide an accurate supply of medical gases mixed with an accurate concentration of anesthetic vapor, and to deliver this continuously to the patient at a safe pressure and flow. Boyle's machine was invented by Henry Edmund Gaston Boyle in 1917. His machine was a modification of the American Guthrie apparatus of 1912 and became the best-known early continuous flow anesthetic machine. The anesthetic machine dispenses the gases that are necessary to induce sleep and prevent pain. During delivery of gas anesthesia to the patient, O2 flows through the vaporizer and picks up the anesthetic vapors. Now everywhere using anesthesia workstation, we can apply closed circuit with this mechine with extra connectors, soda-lime canisters, holding stand. It is continuous flow machine. Mainly it divided into 3 based on different work pressure: high, intermediate, low pressure system. Details we can see next video. Thanks.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Thank you.